everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I got a HelloFresh box. I just haven't been really wanting to make the meals. I haven't been really wanting any, there's like some meals where I'm like, oh, I want that, but then there's like, I don't know. So I'm here to share with you guys HelloFresh. I've been doing HelloFresh for maybe 2 or 3 years now. It's a great thing. I've actually tried a whole lot of new foods from eating HelloFresh. I never used to eat asparagus, and I eat that. I've tried duck before. I'm not a big carrots fan, and the way they have us prepare the carrots is a great deal. But I've been eating more fruits and vegetables, mostly vegetables, from HelloFresh. Like, it's crazy, but that's how I get to try new things. But I'm here to show you guys the 3 meals that I chose. You guys can try this too. If you click my referral link below, you actually get $110 off. I think they changed the details. It's either like $110 off your first 2 boxes, 3 boxes. If any of you guys know that information, please let me know. But you do get basically $110 off, and each box is like 60 bucks. So I think you pay like $10 a box, I think, from what I remember. But just giving you guys a heads up. But you get to pick 3 meals. Now you can pick more if you want. You just gotta pay more. They also have premium meals, but you guys know how cheap I am. I know how most of you guys are just like me. We don't want to spend that much. So anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So usually they give you like a little card full of like coupons. I've never really found any of these anything good. We got the Kiwi Co. We have Caraway, Bright Cellars, and Tailored. So never really into that. But then they give you the cooking cards. And one thing I absolutely love about these is because I save these cards so I can make these meals in the future. Like, my husband and I have learned so much just from HelloFresh that we've learned how to make these things on our own. So this was something I thought would be kind of good. It is a creamy chicken and bacon filled ravioli with caramelized shallot and peas. Thought that was kind of good. I love ravioli, so I'm really excited to try this. I'm not a peas person, but that's okay. I prefer peas, you know, than certain other things. So here we also have the pork sausage and bell pepper risotto. I think I've had this a couple times. This is so good. So good. I love it. I don't eat the peppers. That's one thing I just can't eat is peppers. Like, I'll have it on pizza, but otherwise it's so good. So good. So I got that one. And then the last one I got is meatloaf a la mom. Now, I cannot remember if I've gotten this before, but I've had some kind of meatloaf. But this is meatloaf with potato wedges, green beans, and gravy. I don't eat green beans, but the way they have me cook these, I actually will eat them. I hate green beans. I hate like corn. I hate canned green beans and all that, and frozen green beans. But the way they have me cook these, I absolutely love them, and they're so good, so good. So what you do is you got your little recipes, and then inside they give you a bag of what your meal is. So this one is the pork sausage bell pepper risotto, and I can already smell that pepper. And then we also have the meatloaf a la mom. Now these are all the ingredients that you need. The only thing you probably have to, the only thing you really need to supply is like sugar, or like, I don't know if it's sugar, but salt, pepper, butter, milk. Sometimes they do give you milk, but here we got that one. And then the last one is the creamy chicken bacon filled ravioli, and I'm actually gonna have this one tonight. And then under the bottom of that, they actually have like a little cardboard thing, and then they have the meat on the bottom. So I ended up getting, here is the ravioli. The brand is Coinout chicken mozzarella bacon ravioli. So if I like something like this, I can basically get a package like this at my local grocery store and make it kind of the same way. So that's one thing I absolutely love. And then we also have the sweet Italian pork sausage, and then we also have the ground beef for the one meal. And then here they gave you a ice pack. Depends on where you live. If it's in the summertime, you get way more ice packs than what you do. It all varies where you live. If you can let this sit outside, they really insulate it really well. Since we're gonna have the creamy chicken, I'm gonna open it inside and share with you guys what it looks like. So they come with a nice little bag. Since I've gotten this, they've made the bags a little bit smaller, which is totally fine. And these bags are perfect for like throwing your garbage in there when you do make the foam. So here we got a little thing of Philadelphia cream cheese. Is this, I'm assuming this is an onion or is it a shallot? I can't remember. It's a shallot. So we got that one. And then they gave me some fresh green beans. And these were packed just the other day. That's cool. So, some fresh green beans, which I like. And then we got a little tiny little lemon. It's so cute. And then we have the chicken stock concentrate. They changed this package up a little bit. And then here is the Parmesan cheese. So it's kind of a liquid. So that is it. That is what basically comes in the meal. Everything that you need. And then you just follow the step-by-step instructions. And it's super easy, but I am so excited. Like, I want to eat this right now, but I gotta wait for my husband to get home. But each meal feeds 2 people. You can choose to get 4 meals to feed 4 people. Sometimes those meals are like 2 to 4 servings anyways. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you are interested in trying it, definitely use my referral link below. You get $110 off your first couple boxes. So you'll get the first couple boxes super cheap, and then when that thing is over with, just cancel it. All I say is just try it. You don't have to get it every single week. You could actually skip every week. I've skipped so many weeks, it's crazy. You just got to pay attention to that stuff, and then wait till you find a meal that you like. But definitely check it out. HelloFresh, I absolutely recommend it if you guys have not tried it. It is awesome. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye!